Hi everyone. Are you there? How are you everyone, guys? How is your practice? Yes. Tell me now. Shall we go to another concept? Yesterday we discussed many things. Come on, everyone. Let's start the things. JavaScript events. So yesterday, whatever I discussed with you, JavaScript level functions, arrow functions, nothing but lambda. This keyboard, once again, I'll repeat on this Saturday. On Saturday, whatever the backup session I'm going to take, in that backup session, I'm going to cover whatever the things done Wednesday and Thursday. Now, Tuesday and Wednesday, whatever the things we completed, those I'll repeat it. Okay, everybody? Because Tuesday and Wednesday completely discuss with you JavaScript functions. Some people are asking me that one, can you repeat once again? So sure, I'll repeat once again that concept for you guys. Working with JavaScript events. Right, by using Java. Ready, everybody? Shall I start the session? Right, I'm discussing with you JavaScript events. Anybody you heard the name event? Any of you guys heard the name events? Come on, what is the meaning of event? Events are normally used in combination with functions. Events are normally used in combination with functions. By using JavaScript, we have the ability to create dynamic web pages. Events are actions that can be detected by JavaScript. Every element on a web page has certain events which can trigger a JavaScript. So very good. Events are normally used in combination of functions. Correct. There are number of events are there right now in JavaScript. Every event with the help of functions, those are working more effectively. This is a very important point. So what examples existed here? Clicking a button, A page is finished loading, an image is finished loading, moving the mouse cursor over an element, entering an input field, submitting a form, a keystroke. There are many examples. There are many examples existed. Generally, events are more powerful. So come down. What is exactly? Click occurs when the user clicks on a link or form element. Error occur when error happens during loading of document. Focus occur when input focus is given to a form element. Load occurs when page is loaded into navigator. Mouse out occurs when the user moves the mouse pointer off. Mouse over occurs when the user moves the mouse pointer over. Reset when the user clears a form using the reset button. Select occurs when the user selects a form elements field. Submit occurs when a form is submitted. Unload occurs when the user leaves a page. Please understand, everybody. Understand, there are big list of events. The most important events I'll provide it to you. So how many number of events are there? These are the commonly using events here. These are very frequently using events. On click, on error, come on focus, on load. Are you observing, everybody? On mouse out, on mouse over, on reset, on select, on submit. I hope you are getting what I'm reading, guys. Very important, all these events. Most important and perfect events here. Now we are entering inside into all these events. Come on. Right, click, error, focus, load, mouse out, there are many. Shall I start examples? One by one event on click. That event occurs when the user clicks on an element. HTML level syntax, JavaScript level syntax. HTML level on click is equal to some JavaScript code. JavaScript level object dot on click is equal to some JavaScript code. So both together you people need to understand. On click. I think many times already on click examples I developed to you. Do you remember? Many times I developed, not one or two times. On click event occurs when the user clicks on an element in HTML level, in JavaScript level. Okay, I'll show you one small example on click. So before that, I'm writing head level. What that one? Script. So script inside, we are going to write function, and I'm giving display date. Then I'm writing document dot get element by ID dates dot inner HTML is equal to date. Please understand. Then paragraph. Click the button to display. Click the button to display current date and time. If you are giving button on click is equal to, what I'm going to provide on click is equal to here, display date. Display date. Here you can say ClickMate. Now I'm giving, for example, simple one, very simple and basic example I'm going to provide you. ID. And ID is equal to, I said, DT. Now I'm going to run this. Working or not, you can tell me now. Whenever I'm clicking on that one, working or not? Come on, everyone. On click is one of the perfect events which can able to respond quickly for every kind of operation. Every kind of operation. Shall I move forward now? Right. Observe here. In this scenario, what happened? In this scenario, what happened? Correctly study and tell me. Right. Come on. What will be the output? Shall I write? Yes. For your understanding purpose, I'm showing that. Click on image. Click on click me. Click on click me. Understood? Many of you said correct answer. If you are clicking on any level, it is giving correct output. It is giving correct output. Come on, any question? Any question? Everybody understood this example? Come on, any doubt is there, you can ask me. Any doubt is there, you can ask me. Observe, take your own time, don't be hurry. Clear. Your doubt you said, Ramesh. On click is clear for you. Previous code means this code you have doubt. Submit you can write, button you can write. What is the difference? Okay, button is nothing but a particular, submit is nothing but form level. Button is nothing but an individual button, independent. Button is nothing but independent. Right. Understood now. Submit is nothing but form level. Button is nothing but one independent control level. Inner HTML is a property which is providing for only paid tags. All paid tags having inner HTML property. All non-paid having value property. So paragraph is inner HTML because it is a paid tag. Shall I move forward now? On click clear. Right, I'm moving forward to double click. The date is a function, Ramesh Naik. Date is a function which is giving current system date and time. Is giving also. Get element by ID is a method. Get element by ID is a method. In DOM concept, I'll explain to you what is get element by ID. Right? Ahmad? Right. On double click, I'm showing. On double click event occurs when the user double clicks on an element. Syntax and syntax. Please observe. Syntax both. Syntax both you observed or not, you can check it. If you are clear, I'll write example for double click. On click, on double clicks. Yes, events means actions. Actions required buttons, Abhishek. Right. Understood, Abhishek. Every event with the help of buttons only working. Maybe submit, maybe button, maybe image. Whenever you are performing an action, the event get executed. Whenever you are performing an action, then event get executed. Hope you are getting. Right. Excellent, everybody. Shall I write on double click now? Just observe on double click. So I want to display BG color. Then document dot get element by ID. Some ID I'm taking. Then I said here style dot color is equal to. I made FF00. Right. Now I'm going to provide it. Understood or not? You can check it. On DBL click. What that one? What that one? BG color. So background color. So that is fine. What is the ID here? What ID I use is COL ID I use. COL ID. Hope you understood. Hope you understood. So background color. Click the button to display background color. Background color. Huh? Background color. Text color, not background color, text color. Changing or not? Just text color. Just text color. In my area, weather is not good, my dears. So if any problem, please try to adjust today. Yeah, maybe anything happens in the network. Right. Click here on double click level. If you are going to do only single click, anything happens? Single click. So when this event is going to fire? Right. Whenever you are performing double click, that time only. See here. Study this example. If I double click, what happened? You can tell me. Study this example. If I double click, what happened? You can tell me. Come on. If I double click, what happened? Yes, Madhav. Everything is depends on ID only. Everything depends on ID only. Come on. This output you can tell me anybody. Come on, once I double click, what happened, my dears? One text box value copying into another text box. In one text box, whatever, hello world, double click. For example, in the first text box level, available, Naresh IT. Double click. Very important. Very important. Observe once again the code. This line only important, what I wrote. That line only. Right. So I'm giving here. Explanation means what I'm doing. Right now, where the value existed, you can tell me. In the field 1 or in the field 2, where value available? In the field 1 available. So what I wrote the code, you can check it once. What I wrote the code, you can check it once. Field 2 dot value equal to field 2 dot value equal to field 1 dot value. Are you getting that one? Field 2 dot value equal to field 1 dot value. Are you getting everyone? That means what I'm giving here, if any value available in the field 2, going to field 1. If available in the field 1, going to field 2. I hope you are getting the logic here. This is only logic. Field 1 available, copying to field 2. Field 2 level available, copying to field 1. Interchange. Very good. Got everybody? Come on, quickly, everyone. Right, next one, onload. Read the definition just. Onload. Read the definition just. Completed. When the page loaded. Onload event occurs when an object has been loaded. Onload is most often used within the body element to execute a script. Once a web page has completely loaded all content, including images, script files, all the things available. So onload is the most important thing here. Please try to understand, everybody. Onload. Very powerful onload is. So onload is equal to some JavaScript code. Onload is equal to some JavaScript code. Check it once. Come on, everyone. Shall I write? See, I'm giving here onload level. For example, simple code I'll write, one line code I'll write, easily will understand. Observe here. Alert. Page loaded successfully. Just observe. Page loaded successfully. Why? What loaded? Page loaded. Any name you can take here. Any name you can take here. Right. Come down. I'm not going to write anything here. Here also I don't want to write anything. Just body level I'm taking. On load is equal to page load. On load is equal to page load. Okay, very good. Then I'm giving, I said, refresh. Refresh the page. So once you are refreshing the page, what happening? Come on, once you are going to refresh, why you are refreshing the page, you can tell me? Why you are refreshing the page? To load again. To load again. Come on, come on. Once to load again. Right, refresh now. Refresh the page. On load is equal to what we are writing? Page load. Which level you are writing? Body level you are writing page load. Correct or not? So whenever page loaded, I need alert. What happened? Refresh function, page load, alert, loaded. On load is equal to page load. 1 minute, load capital L, small letter also it won't be. Come on. JavaScript is case sensitive or not? JavaScript is case sensitive or not? With this example, you understood JavaScript is case sensitive. Same like that, for example, I want to load image. I want to load image, for example. Now I'm not giving here. Now I'm taking one img tag. Source is equal to, I said simply, HTML 5.png. Okay, onload is. Then I made onload is equal to, I should say image load. Image load. I hope you're understanding that image load. Onload is equal to. So width is equal to whatever you want, you can write. Height is equal to whatever you want, you can write. Once loaded, what happens? You can check it. Is it working correctly? Is it working correctly? Image loaded successfully. Clear, everyone? Right, next one. Remaining you can try. Onload events. What is the difference between onload and on-unload? Anybody? What is the difference between onload and on-unload? Onload get executed whenever loaded. On-unload get executed whenever unloaded. Whenever resource available, successfully displayed, onload. Whenever resource not available, unable to display, on-unload. Clear, everybody? Onload, on-unload difference? Onload, on-unload difference, everybody clear? Yes, both are opposite level. Events very simple, that much critical things are not there. On error also same. On error means what? Resources available, but server unable to respond that time. So almost same. On load opposite on unload. On error means what? Okay, now we can see here. I am giving here on error, right? And I'm giving on error. Image load something I said. Now resource available or not available? HTML. With me, resource is not there. Then image unable to load, I said. Image unable to load, I said. Come on. Understood on error meaning? Resource not existed. Hide the image, everybody. Check the code. Check the code, everybody. Yes. If error. Output is the error. Error whenever resource not existed. Unload resource available, unable to load. Right. Next level. I'm giving some resources for homework. You can try to practice. Any doubt now? On load, on unload, on error, please tell me. On load, on unload, on error, any doubt? What is on load? What is on load? Whenever resource successfully loaded. What is on unload? Whenever resource unable to load successfully. What is on error? Whenever resource not existed on error. Three major components here. Correctly understand. Three major components. Correctly understand. Loaded, not loaded, resources not existed. Who is this? Bardwaj, what happened? Any problem? Right. On unload, I'm giving, you can practice and tell me, Pandey. Right. On mouse move event. On mouse over event, on mouse event, out event. Total, we are having 3 events. Mouse move, mouse over, mouse out. Mouse move, mouse over, mouse out. Mouse move is different, mouse over different, mouse out different. Mouse move, whenever you are moving the mouse. Mouse over, whenever the mouse cursor over an element. Mouse out, whenever the cursor out from an element. So you are having three events: mouse move, mouse over, mouse out. I'll show you one good example for you and you'll understand easily. Okay, practically, I'll show you one beautiful example. Please concentrate here, everybody. So first I'm giving here, for example, one image I'm taking. I said big image. Inside what I'm writing, big image level one argument I'm passing. I'm writing here x dot style dot width is equal to, I said, for example, 300 pixels. The same way we are writing here, height is equal to, I am doing 300 pixels. Clear or not, you can check it. Width and height, clear or not, you can check it. So normal image I'm taking. Two functions I'm taking loading time. So I said, for example, small image. Small image level I'm taking 30 pixels. Am I clear or not? You can tell me. Okay. Am I clear or not? You can tell. How many functions are there here? Two functions are there. Right. HTML5 I'm taking. So on, come on, mouse over. What I'm giving on So now another one I'm providing to you. On mouse out is equal to, I made, for example, S image. What is S image? Small image. Try to understand big image as well as small image. Okay, clear? HTML5. This I'm using. What is the meaning of this here? It is representing current object. On mouse over, on mouse out, and I said here this. This is representing current object. By default, I'm taking 30 pixels, and height also by default, I'm taking 30 pixels. Right? Mouse over, mouse out, everything clear. Check it, everybody. Whenever you are mouse over, what will be executed? This will be executed. Whenever mouse out, what will be executed? This will be executed. Come on. Mouse over, mouse out. Over. Anybody, you checked all these things anywhere? Mouse over level, what executing? Mouse out level, what executing? Am I clear for you? How it is executing? Yes, in Flipkart level available. In Amazon level also available. You want to see the code? Okay, observe the code. like zoom out, zoom in. I'll show you little advanced level also, some more events. First basic level, you are clear or not, you can tell me. Advanced level, number of examples already developed that one. See this one, body level, how I wrote, simple H1 level. So if you are coming to body level, this one also you can check it, how it is working, body level. See here, this representing current object, this representing current object, this representing current object. Come on, everyone. Am I clear? Today, number of examples you are observing. All these examples very critical to practice. How the examples are? How the examples are, guys? Current object means what is the current object here? You can tell me. HTML5 image. X is taking argument. X is taking argument. Argument dot properties. Abhishek. Some people are not understanding anything. What is JavaScript, sir? Samosa folding. Shall I go to next? Shall I go to next concept, or you want to practice? Already almost 14 examples I'm giving today. 14, 15 examples. 14, 15 examples I'm giving. Come on, you want to practice, or shall I go to next example? Some people are saying move forward, sir. Okay, next, move forward, say people are saying. No, some people are saying no. Okay. No, 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 no. Today is critical examples, my dears. Today is critical examples. Thank you. Okay. I'm sending all these events today. A lot of examples to you, nearly 20, 25 examples. Please practice. Tomorrow I'll show you some more mouse over, mouse out level. Okay. After half an hour, after 5 minutes, I'll upload the tutorials to you. Please ask me any doubt is there from your side. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. Practice more. Practice, practice, practice. Practice, practice, practice. Thank you. Current object is nothing but the image whichever displayed on the screen, that is current object. Okay, okay. Bye-bye. I'll upload. Within 5 minutes, I'll upload. You can ask me doubts. Thank you. Bye, Pandey.